down the river where the train tracks meet, there's a little place with lots of trees. Catfish swim, the bullfrogs sing. A White River Junction is a place to be. White River Junction, White River Junction. Way downtown they got no swimming holes. Yeah, they walk around like some old lost soul. Take 'em fishing in that old dark stream. A White River Junction is the place to be. White River Junction, White River Junction. River Junction, White River Junction. Way down the river where the green grass grows, you can feel the mud working through your toes. Swimming, fishing, or making love, a White River Junction is the place I love. White River Junction, White River Junction. Peace, everybody.